Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to integrate Lendingclub into financial planning softwares. Integrating Lendingclub with financial planning softwares allows you to centralize your money management, giving you a complete view of your finances across accounts. Whether you're professional grade tools like eMoney, Right Capital, or more personal ones like Quicken, integration typically works through secure data aggregation platforms like Plaid. To get started, open your financial planning softwares and look for an Add Account or Connect Institution option. Then you want to search for Lendingclub and log in with your credentials when prompted. Once connected, the software will automatically synchronize balances, transactions, loan data, and even savings goals. This enables features like cash flow forecasting, retirement planning, and debt payoff strategies to reflect your real Lendingclub activity. If the right integration isn't available in your tool, you can still export Lendingclub statements or transaction history as CSV files and manually import them into your software. While less seamless, it ensures that your Lendingclub data contributes to your overall financial plan. Maintaining this integration keeps your financial projections accurate, helping you to make smarter decisions about savings, investments, or borrowing. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.